Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be creating a YouTube script, a YouTube video script using AI. In this video, I'll be using Jarvis, and at any point, if you want to go and check this out and get 10,000 free credits and 10 days of a free trial, you can click the link below and you can go sign up for this awesome software. Now, as far as AI writers are concerned, there are dozens of them out right now, and I have used many of them, probably at least half of them. And Jarvis always comes back up to Jarvis, and it is one of the industry leading AI softwares because they have a big company. They have like 30 to 50 employees. They're based out of Austin, Texas in the United States, and they put a lot of money into the infrastructure and the user interface and the community and the customer support of this software. So they're constantly developing it and improving it on a daily basis. So that's what separates this from the other AI article generators out there. So let's jump in real quick. I'm going to actually go over to Google, and we're going to go with a topic of Elon Musk. When I come over here, and I'm just going to look for different keywords. A lot of times to come up with good topics, I'll go to Google and see what people are actually typing in right now. And right here, I'm going to say F, and let's say right here. So we have Elon Musk fun facts. So that might be a cool title. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. We'll go back over into Jarvis. Then we can come over here, and there's different ways we can go about this. I'm going to go over to the templates section. We can go over to video, and then we can go over to video topic ideas and keyword to rank for. I'm going to put that right over here. We can also put that topic over right there, and the tone of voice. We can just say Elon Musk, and we can put witty, something like that. Okay, we're going to go with 3 outputs, and we're going to go generate content. So I'm going to go out there and maybe come up with a good video topic idea. So here's what we get back. Some of the coolest things on the Mars mission, the life lessons learned from Elon Musk timeline from created to current day. There's different ones right here. 10 fun facts about Elon Musk, the richest self-made person in America. So there's a lot of ones right here, but I'm going to go with this one right here, 10 fun facts about Elon Musk. And so what we can do is just and if you like the output, you can push the up button, and it will just help with their algorithm and them improving the software. So I'm going to copy this to the clipboard. Then what we can do is we can go over to the dashboard section, actually templates, and I'm going to open up the long form editor and just go start from scratch. Now you can do this a number of different ways. Inside of here, you can use the long form editor, or you can just open up a notepad or a Word document, put that on the side over on the right hand side or something like that, and then you can just copy and paste and just use the modules if you want to do it that way. So we're going to use the long form right now. I'm actually going to come over here and put this in, and then I'll just delete the rest, right? Because we already know that we want to go with 10 facts about Elon Musk. So that's going to be like our title, okay? And then the description. Then we can put some keywords in over here. And then I'm going to go with that Google keyword over here, Elon Musk fun facts. Something like that. Okay. Now what you can do is you can actually come over here. A couple of different ways we can do this. We could say write an intro from the article brief. And then right here, we can say compose, or we can do Control Enter. It's going to highlight automatically, and it's going to go out and write. So we have Elon Musk is a popular and well-known entrepreneur who has made success with Elon Musk Ventures. Elon Musk also has many successful investments in various industries such as space exploration, renewable energy, and transportation. Elon Musk is the founder of Elon Musk Ventures, which includes Tesla Motors, Solar City, and it just keeps going on. Okay, so we can use that intro that way, or what you can do is you can actually come over here and open up this power mode right here, okay? And then we can come back over down here, and we can use this video script hook and intro So we'll click on that. Then we'll go over here and put the title in right there. And I'll just say, we can just leave it the way it is with the tone. And I'm just going to put this down to 2 and push generate content. So you can actually have all these different modules open all at once. And that's what makes boss mode and the long form editor so cool, because you're able to do all this in one screen and not have to hop back and forth. So we can look through here. We have a couple different ones. The hook is Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla Motors, co-founder of PayPal and SpaceX. Now, is he the co-founder of PayPal? You always want to make sure you fact check. Okay, I just went and fact checked, and he is the co-founder of PayPal. That is insane. I did not know that. That's also speaking highly of Jarvis, which is going out and getting actual real information. You still want to fact check for sure, but that is super cool. I just learned something new. So PayPal and SpaceX, and he also has a lot of other companies like Tesla and others. He's also a futuristic who has had some visionary ideas for society. My name is blank, and I'm going to share the top 10 fascinating facts about one of the most intriguing people alive today, Elon Musk. So it's really, really good. You have another one in this video. I'm going to share the 10 fun facts that you might not have heard before about this billionaire entrepreneur. And then it says, introduce yourself. And today I want to talk about Elon Musk. Many people don't know much about him and what he's accomplished in his life. So I wanted to make a video for all you diehard fans who want to learn more. So sit back and let me tell you these 10 fun facts. So they're both really, really good. Let's go and, let's just go and use this one. Okay. So you would copy this, and we can just paste that in right here, okay? And then you can come in here and kind of clean this up a little bit. And then we need an outline. So all you're going to do is just go up here and just type in video again. And then you can go over here, the video script outline right here. And then we're going to go back over and grab our title and put that in over here. And then we're going to put this down on 2 and generate contents. So yeah, as you can see, you can easily just switch between the different modules and write a YouTube script very quickly. So right here, what we've got is born in South Africa, brother and sisters, parents. So we have all these different facts, and this is really good. And this is cool because I've just started using Jarvis again, and they have, man, these outlines and these script outlines have improved dramatically. In the beginning, they, 6 months ago, it didn't do very good with list type posts, right? So give me the 10 facts. And then right now it's actually performing really well, and it gives 10 facts right here. So that's super cool. So copy, we can come back through here, push enter, paste these in right here. Okay. So then now you have all of this right here. Now I'm going to take, so we've got the hook right there, and we have the introduction. And then one more thing we can use is the blog post. Let's see, I'm going to type in blog over here, and we're going to use a conclusion paragraph. What are the main points or outline of your blog post? And right here, I'm just going to put my name. And then I'm just going to grab the title and this right here. And we can put all that in right here into the first segment right there. And then we can say right here, like and subscribe to the channel. And then we can say generate AI content. So now we're writing the conclusion. So imagine writing all this, doing all the research, going and finding all these facts, coming up with all this. It actually will take you much, much longer to do that yourself, but using the power of Jarvis, you're able to create YouTube scripts very quickly. So we're going to come through here. Elon Musk is a visionary, and it just keeps going. Let's see right here. And this is the 10 facts of Elon Musk. You may have heard him before. If you liked what you saw here, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So more videos just like this one will be created soon. Thank you for watching. So this one's good. So we'll just take this one. We'll go copy, And we can put this right here and push paste. Okay, so we've got our conclusion, we've got everything, and then now all you have to do is just put your cursor right here. There's different ways you can go about doing this. You can actually use 3 asterisks right here in order to stop the Jarvis from reading up here, but I don't think we need to do that in this one. We're going to see what it ends up doing. So you can left click right here, and then you can just say compose. I'm going to go with shorter actually right now, and we're going to say just compose. So it kind of kept writing right there. So I'm going to actually do an undo on that one. Okay. So you can use the long form editor, or you can just continue using the power mode modules on the left hand side to have a little bit more control, and that's kind of what I like to do. So right over here there is the sentence expander. You can use sentence improver or content improver. That one works as well. So the sentence expander, we just take this first topic right here, right? So this is number 1. And you can just grab that, throw it in over here, and then push generate AI content, and it's going to come out here and write more content for us, right? So you can copy that and throw that in right there, and then right here you would just say he has a brother and a sister. So then in that case you're going to have to say Elon Musk. Leave that way. Elon Musk has a brother and a sister, and then you would just say generate AI content, and so forth. So you can just continue to keep coming through here and take each topic and write a little bit about it. Let's see right here, we're at Elon Musk attended the university. So we're going to go ahead and grab that, and let's try improve. So the content improver, and we're going to put right here, and we're just going to say Elon, and then we're just going to put and say generate AI content. So we're going to use the content improver. So the content improver seems to give us more content, and right here, and there's one, there we go. So you just come over here, push return, and enter that. And then we would say after graduating from college, he moved to California to start a software company called Zip2. So this guy has just been nonstop with creating companies. The guy just does not sleep. He's known for not sleeping and not resting. All right, so then you just keep coming through here, and this one gives you a lot of content, right? So we can just copy that. So this one's going to be a lot more robust and give a lot more content. So I'm going to go ahead and push pause and go and continue this process. I like the content improver. It takes a piece of content and rewrites it and makes it more interesting, creative, engaging, but really it's expanding. This is more of the content expander, in my opinion, because it's doing a lot more information than the other one was doing. So that's a little Jarvis tip for you. The content improver actually, in some respects, is a better content expander than the actual one that's called content expander, the sentence expander, right? So I'm going to push pause. I'm going to go finish this up, and then we'll look at the final results. All right, so here's what we have after going through the process, right? So we can actually exit power mode if we want right now and just go back into the full mode. And this is what you're going to see. You can come through here and obviously clean this up inside of Jarvis as well, and fix anything that needs fixed, punctuation, all that kind of good stuff. And as you can see right here, we already have our conclusion paragraph. You're going to want to go and get rid of things like that. The conclusion paragraph, then come through here, go back up to the top. We're going to get rid of, okay, we already got rid of the hook thing. So now what I'm going to do is take this, and we can just do a Control A and copy this. I'm going to right click and open up a new Word document. We're going to go check this out, what it looks like in here. Perfect. All right, so you're looking at an 858 word YouTube script that we created in Jarvis. You can put a title there, and each one of these you can put in like a heading, right? And you can clean this up. Now, what can you do with this, right? You can use this to go and create YouTube channels. Watch some of my other videos where I show you exactly how you can turn these into, using AI, you can turn these into videos very quickly. You don't even have to record the voiceover yourself. You don't have to do anything to create the video, because there's software out there that will go out there and create a video automatically for you. But here you go, you have this, And you can go out there and you can go out there and sell this as a service as well. You can sell this on Fiverr, and you can have these really nice YouTube scripts like this, the top 10 fun facts about Elon Musk, and people will pay you pretty good money. You could do this all day long and charge people 20 or 30 bucks for a YouTube script. So that's it for this video. Go check out Jarvis if you haven't. I'm sure you've heard of it before, but it is one of the best, if not the best, leading industry AI writers out there. And this is just one little aspect of what it can do. It can create books, ebooks that you can sell. It can create articles and blog articles for your blogs. It can do social media. It can do so much. It can write fictional stories even. It's just crazy. So you can go check this out. Link will be in the description. I'll see you in the next video.